Replacing your windows is an exciting home improvement project that can enhance your Little Rock home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Proper preparation ensures the process goes smoothly, minimizes disruptions, and helps installers complete their work efficiently. Whether you're replacing one window or upgrading your entire home, here's how to prepare your Little Rock home for a window replacement project. Understand the scope of the project. Before the installation begins, it's important to have a clear understanding of the process and what to expect. Key details to confirm: the timeline for the project, including the start and end dates, the number of windows being replaced and their locations, any special considerations for custom or oversized windows. Your contractor will provide a detailed plan and answer any questions you have, ensuring you're fully informed about the project. Clear the work area. Installers need unobstructed access to your windows, both inside and outside your home. Clearing the area ensures they can work safely and efficiently. What to remove? Window treatments. Take down curtains, blinds, shades, and rods. Furniture and decorations. Move furniture away from windows and remove wall decor or fragile items near the work area. Outdoor obstacles. Trim bushes, remove patio furniture, or relocate garden ornaments that might block access to exterior windows. Creating a clutter-free environment helps installers focus on their work without delays. Protect your belongings. Window replacement can generate dust, debris, and noise. Protecting your belongings helps keep your home clean and minimizes damage risks. Protective measures. Cover nearby furniture, flooring, and electronics with drop cloths or plastic sheeting. Use protective coverings to shield rugs or carpets from dust and debris. Store valuable or fragile items in a safe location away from the work area. Taking these steps ensures your belongings remain safe throughout the project. Prepare for noise and disruption. Window replacement involves tools and materials that can create noise and activity in your home. Planning ahead can help you minimize inconvenience. Tips for managing disruption. Inform family members about the project timeline and expected noise levels. Make arrangements for pets and children to stay in a separate area of the house or with a caregiver during the installation. Schedule the project on a day when you can be available to answer questions or provide access as needed. Being prepared for these temporary disruptions ensures the process runs smoothly. Verify access to utilities. Installers may need access to electricity for power tools or lighting. Confirm that necessary utilities are available and in working order. Utility preparation. Ensure electrical outlets near the work area are functional and accessible. Provide access to outdoor water sources if needed for cleanup. Let your contractor know if there are any limitations or special instructions regarding utilities. Communicate with your contractor. Clear communication with your window installation team is crucial for a successful project. Before the installation day, confirm key details and expectations. What to discuss. Your preferences for cleanup and debris removal. Instructions for property access if you won't be home during the installation. Any specific concerns, such as preserving landscaping or avoiding certain areas of your home. Staying in touch with your contractor ensures that any potential issues are addressed promptly. Secure parking and entry points. Installers often need space to park their vehicles and unload materials. Providing convenient access makes their job easier. How to prepare. Reserve a parking spot close to your home for the installation crew. Clear driveways and pathways to allow easy transportation of tools and materials. Unlock gates or provide entry codes if necessary. These steps help the crew move efficiently between their vehicles and your home. Plan for post-installation cleanup. While professional installers will typically clean up after the project, it's a good idea to plan for additional light cleaning once the work is done. Post-installation cleanup tips. Wipe down surfaces near the windows to remove dust. Vacuum or sweep floors to collect any remaining debris. Inspect the windows and surrounding areas for any missed items or concerns. A thorough cleanup helps you enjoy your new windows without any leftover mess. Get ready to enjoy your new windows. Once the installation is complete, you'll be ready to enjoy the benefits of your new windows, including improved energy efficiency, enhanced aesthetics, and better functionality. After the installation, test each window to ensure smooth operation and proper sealing. Review maintenance tips provided by your contractor to keep your windows in top condition. Admire the refreshed look of your home and the added value it brings. New windows are a transformative upgrade that enhances your Little Rock home in countless ways. Final thoughts. Preparing your Little Rock home for a window replacement project doesn't have to be overwhelming. By clearing the work area, protecting your belongings, and maintaining open communication with your contractor, you can ensure a seamless and stress-free experience. With proper preparation, you'll be able to enjoy the benefits of your new windows in no time. Work with a trusted window professional in Little Rock to guide you through the process and deliver results that exceed your expectations.